Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make money with opinion bureau. You go to your search engine and then you type, like I typed, opinion bureau. Then we enter. No, what am I doing? You type opinion bureau. Then we go in. Then opinionbureau.com. That's the right website. Yes. Then now you are in the website, opinion bureau. Be responsible. Your safety and others. Prevention is better. And benefits, relevant surveys, rewarding pace. How it works. Then they show you how it works. You register, build a profile to get started. On sign up, referrals and survey participation. How to get paid. Redeem reward points for gift cards. Okay. So now that you are on the website home page, then this is where you can sign up. So when you sign up, you earn 50 rand just for signing up, guys. Imagine, you earn free 50 rand just for signing up. So that's why I'm saying in Opinion Bureau, you can earn 60 rand in 5 minutes, because you're gonna earn this 50 rand for signing up, and then you're gonna earn another 10 rand when you fill your personal profile information. Then you're gonna earn another 10 rand. So now we're not gonna go into the signing up process. The signing up process is very simple, anyone can do it. But now I just wanna show you how you can make money using this app, because this app is different from other apps, because there are few surveys that you're gonna get. So to leverage the app, you have to rely on the referral reward system. So now I want to show you how you can use the referral system so that you can get the referrals, so you can get more money. Now I'm gonna log in. So this one I've logged in. Hi Floyd Mako. Congratulations, we appreciate your contribution as being a valuable member of Opinion Bureau survey community. Now that I've logged in, I'm gonna go here on the menu, and then I'm gonna go down here, refer a friend. You go to refer a friend. Remember, now you have signed in and you have filled your profile. Now you are ready to go. You go to referral, and then they have already approved your account. So you go to referrals. So referrals, this is how they work. We are offering you another opportunity to earn extra by referring your friends, colleagues, family members to Opinion Bureau. 5 simple steps that can get you 10 rand or more. So the first step, you share your referral link with your friends, and then your friends, they enter that link, and then they visit and join Opinion Bureau. And then after joining Opinion Bureau, they activate their account and update their basic profile. When they update their basic profile, that's when they get the extra 10 rand to make it 60 rand in 5 minutes. Your referral qualifies the first surveys. Then that's when they're gonna be approved for membership, and that's where you're gonna earn your 10 rand. So this is where you enter here on invite people and earn referral bonus to get your link, to get your opinion bureau link so that you can send to your friends, family, and all other people. You must hit here, and then here is where you're gonna put in your email address and your name so that the referral link can come to your email, and then from there you're gonna take that link and then use it to send it to your friends. So firstly, you can start by taking the link and sending to your friends on WhatsApp. Now, how you going to do that? You just, the friends that you trust, the friends that you can force. You can force them to join Opinion Bureau that you are very close to. You know what I'm saying? You can send it to them. But don't send this thing to people that you don't even talk to anymore, because that is kind of rude, because now you're asking people to do things for you, but you have never even asked them how they are doing this year. You know what I'm saying? So you just send to people that you talk to regularly. So the second way you can use the link, which is very effective, you can use the link on Facebook. Now I want to show you how you can use the link on Facebook. So now, after sending your referral link to your email, then you're gonna go to your email. You're gonna go to your email. I'm searching for my email. Where is it? So I'm searching for my email. Where is my email? I can't see my. Okay, there's my email. I come in here. Okay, search for Opinion Bureau, because I once got opinion Bureau. So because I once got here's my referral link. So here's my referral link. You're gonna just copy. You're gonna just copy the link. So yes, guys, you're just gonna copy the link, and then you go to Facebook. After copying the link, I can't copy it. I don't know why, what's happening, but so guys, then you go on Facebook, you enter Facebook, and then on your own Facebook, you search make money online. So guys, after searching that, you're gonna get a lot of groups, a lot of public groups that you can join. And then, like this one, you see, it's like a public group, 66,000 members, a public group, 8,800 members, a public group, 112,000 members, public group, 5,000. You understand? There are a lot of people here. So you enter each and every this group, you join, and then when after joining, and then they approve you, because it's a public group, anyone can join, then that's when you can start, and then to post your link, and then you write, maybe you can write something like, do you want to make money online? And then you go, I have been using an app called Opinion Bureau to make money with surveys and online pause. If you are interested, to make money now, click on the link below. Then after that, you then continue to post your link below so that people can click it, and then you post this post, and then you post it. So after writing that message, posting it, you're gonna do it on all those groups. You're gonna make sure you do it on all those groups, and you do it consistently. You don't do it once and you leave it. You do it more and more. Each and every day you post. On those groups, because if there are 66,000 people, imagine how many 10 runs you can get from each person. Obviously, not all the 65 people will click on your link, but some people will click on your link, and some people will register, and then you'll make that 10 rand. So the more you do it, the more you post it, the more people see it, and that's the more people will click on the link because they see it more often. So you need to put in the work to post that message, to post. Tango is thank you for tuning in, guys. Please guys, don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that when we post, you are the first to get and see the video. Salute.